Hey, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial. In this video we're going to learn on which is the best VPN of all time when you're using your cell phone. So first of all you have to do is go to Play Store, and in there what you have to write is VPN. And I'm going to tell you which I personally use and which is for you. So this is what I personally use, the Super VPN, which is a free VPN client, and this is the best VPN of all. To be honest, I personally use it. And don't use this VPN for PUBG games, because if you're using a North Korean PUBG game, make sure to download the Solo VPN. That would be the best. But for other activities, this VPN is the best of all. Just gonna click and open it. When you open it, it takes some time because it's a free version. But if you go to the premium option of this one, I don't know why would anybody pay for it, but I'll go with the free version and click on continue and click on connect, and it will show you an ad because this guy is giving you a free VPN. It will take some time, and after connecting, it's connected. You can see an option like this one on that one. So after connecting, you are good to go. You can search anything that is not available in your country, and I know what I'm talking about. So if you find this video really helpful, make sure to leave a comment below, subscribe, and just like this video, and we'll catch you in another video. Keep visiting Tides Schooling. Sir, बाकी एक उदाहरण हाँ एक उदाहरण
How to get more likes in YouTube video?
topic what do you